island, you're looking so mysterious today. What are you doing? Finally, I have found you again. The ultimate egg salad sandwich. Today we're heading into Yilan City to try and open a bank account for the second time. It's sort of the big, I guess, the capital city of this area, I would say. So hopefully there's some nice things to do there. What's up? We're at Yilan train station. It's raining. It looks kind of like a zoo, but it's not. It's just a scene from the Jimmy books, which seem to be famous in Yilan. And this is Georgina. It's the future of road crossing. Oh, it doesn't show Georgina. It's the scenes from the Jimmy books. It's the Yilan Express. It's the flying train. It's Jimmy's dad. It's Jimmy's dad with his fish. It is up YouTube. Look who it is. It's Georgina. She's got a new bank account. She's international. That took 2 hours, and it almost got rid of us, but we got through in the end. We did it. I just finally got the body slightly ready, so you can tilt his little hips like this now. Yeah. You told me to. They're just at the bike shop now buying a bike.
No.
No? Oh.
No.
Wow, the great egrets are here today in the marsh. It's absolutely a beautiful day for these great egrets to be here in the park with us. So thank you, great egrets. Is right, you heckin' losers. I got a bike. It's like a scooter little bike. You don't need a license, you don't need a license plate, you don't need insurance, you don't need nothing. This baby can take us 30 kilometers, drive 25 kilometers an hour, 0 to 60 in a couple of minutes. We got it, baby, let's rock. Wow, there she goes.